In this video, we'll be learning how to make white sauce pasta. Hello guys, welcome you all. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. Let's look into the recipe. So boil a glass of water. Once the water is boiled, add the penne pasta, half cup. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. And now lower the flame to medium. On the other side, we have taken a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of oil into it. Add the chopped vegetables, that's onion and capsicum. Fry it well. And now keep it aside. In the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee, that's butter. Add 3 teaspoons of all-purpose flour. Now roast it until it's golden brown. As you can see, it has turned to a nice golden brown color. Now let's add milk. Add the milk gradually. So I've taken half liter of milk. Make sure you don't pour the entire milk all at a time. Mix it well, making sure that there is no lumps or the milk doesn't stick at the bottom. Let's look into the pasta too. So it's cooked well. Let's drain the pasta. As you can see, our white sauce is ready. It has turned thick. Now add the fried vegetables. Add the sweet corns. Add a teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. A teaspoon of black pepper powder and few red chilli flakes. Mix it well. Cook for a minute or two. Now let's add the boiled pasta into it. Mix it. Since it's too thick, I have added some more milk into it. So in total, I have used half liter of milk. Grate some cheese over it and then serve hot. Garnish with some black pepper powder and red chilli flakes. Thank you.